Morning everyone, my name's Tash and I'm an artist and I love to spread the joy of all forms of creativity for wellness and well-being, and I hope you're having a good day. The sun is shining where I am in the UK. We're down in Cornwall and it really is a beautiful morning, so it does help a bit, doesn't it? Now I just wanted to go over my learning process for punch needling, and I have shown in a few other videos, I think, or maybe even just one, that I've started it, so you can learn from my learning. So I'm just going to turn the camera on. So first of all, when you buy your punch needle, you might come with a starter kit which will have one size needle in it. It will probably be for DK yarn, which is double knit yarn. I only know these things because I've knitted and crocheted in the past as well, but I did order one of these adjustable ones so that I can use thinner yarns. Is it going to focus? I'm not so sure. Yeah. I will say I bought one from TEMU. I'm not going to say the word on the video, and it was awful. Just saying, it looked like this, but when you felt it, you could see that it was made of very, very thin plastic. It basically just fell apart on me. It didn't work at all. So, word of warning, paid a little bit extra. I think it was about £10. The one in Temu was about, oh, I've said it now, hopefully they won't pick that up, was about £2 or £3. And then when you get this, you will also get the threader, and you will get the needles, and I will show at some point how to thread the needle and things like that, but to start with I just wanted to show you how I've got on. So I made a coaster using thinner yarn. I'm not sure what the mill yarn this is, but it's less than DK, and this is how it came out on the loopy side. So they're quite tiny little loops. I really enjoyed making this one, and I love how it came out, and I quite like that because the small loops that it's flatter. And I did buy some little stick-on cork backs, but what I've realised is when I draw the design, I need to draw the design a bit smaller so that it doesn't stick outside the back on the fabric bit. We don't want that happening. It looks a bit, well, untidy. Let's say that. Then I did one with DK. I haven't finished this yet. I haven't done the back. So what I do is I use my hot glue gun just to fold the ends around, and then I'll obviously stick that back onto another cork placemat. The ones I've got are sticky. They're just from EBAY. Yeah, so that's that one, and it's done with DK yarn. So you can see the loops also are much thicker. And much loopier, and I kind of like it. It hasn't come out perfect. You can see I was so focused on what I was doing on the back that at the front, like, I've got random bits coming through where it should be much clearer. Now what I know is you can use a shaver, a graded shaver, and you can shave the top off where the loops are, so then you just get like fluffy ends. So there is that, if you don't like the loopy look, but I kind of like the loopy look. I love it. So that was with DK yarn. So this is the DK yarn that I had over here. I already had some because, as I said, I knit and crochet as well. The kit I bought was quite a big hoop, as you can see. So when I was doing something small inside, I felt like I was wasting the fabric, and I've bought linen fabric. Now, there is monk's cloth that you can buy. That's what came with the hoop, my starter kit, but I just didn't like it. So I've just bought the linen yarn. I feel as though it's much tighter as it goes in, and it holds the loops much better. But obviously that's your choice. And I had this lovely small hoop from when I've done cross stitch in the past, when I've done small cross stitch patterns many years ago. So I'm going to use that now, so that I don't waste all of the cloth. Yeah, so I think that's it. That's all you really need to know for now. Obviously I haven't shown you how to thread the needle, but I think there's lots of videos already out there on that. But this is my beginning learning process. I'm going to have a go at another coaster, but try a different design this time. And I'm not sure what it's going to be, but you'll find out in the next video. Okay, have a good day, guys. And I do recommend this. It's quite a simple activity once you get going. It really is. You don't even really need to think. So if you're needing something creative where you don't even need to think, I know I do a lot of drawing and painting, and with those you do need to concentrate. I don't like to do that at night because I need to switch off. This is very repetitive. I slept like a log last night, is all I'm going to say. So do think about it. Okay, have a good day everyone. Bye.